I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates, and I'm delighted to introduce our latest listing located at Unit 100 here at 1726 Kerrisdale Road. Inside, you're going to find a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, open concept townhome with an attached garage and over 1,100 square feet of living space. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Unit 100, located at 1726 Kerrisdale Road. Conveniently situated in Central Nanaimo, this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome includes an attached garage. Built in 2020 with 1,175 square feet of modern living space. Unit 100 is an end unit with tons of natural light, 9-foot ceilings, and large windows. The beautifully appointed kitchen includes a large island, a pantry, stainless appliances, and quartz countertops. The open floor plan flows nicely to the private back patio and sunny front deck. One of the 3 bedrooms is a primary suite with a nicely appointed ensuite. This property sits at the end of a no-through road and is walking distance to schools, transit, and shopping. Enjoy affordable strata fees and the protection of the remaining home warranty.
To book a private showing or for full information package that includes floor plans and all the details, visit my website at johncooper.ca. I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.